Hello students, today we will be doing the topic pH of mixtures of strong acids plus strong bases. So when we have a strong acid and a strong base in the mixture, how will we calculate the pH? This is, I have taken the example from question number 7.66 NCERT. Acid and a base is given and I will tell you how to solve the question in the simplest manner possible. First we will calculate the millimoles of hydrogen ions and millimoles of OH ions. And then we will see which of the ion is left in excess. Using that ion, we will solve the question based on pH. So let's start. Now here 10 ml of 0.1. You must know that millimoles is equal to molarity into volume in ml. This is millimoles. Moles is equal to molarity into volume in liter. Millimoles will be molarity into volume in ml. So we will calculate the millimoles of H2SO4. Millimoles of H2SO4 from here will be equal to molarity into volume. So molarity is 0.1 into 10. From here calculate the millimoles of KOH. It will be equal to 10 into 0.1. So they are 1 millimole. And here also 1 millimole. Clear? Now we will calculate the millimoles of H plus. Now there in 1 mole of H2SO4 there are 2 moles of, it will give 2 moles of H plus ion. So millimoles will be double of the millimoles of H2SO4. एक H2SO4 के मॉलिक्यूल में 2 हाइड्रोजन आयंस हैं, तो millimoles of H plus will be double of this. तो 2 millimoles हो गए. Millimoles of OH minus will be same as the millimoles of KOH because same number of OH ions are present in one mole. One mole of KOH contains 1 mole of OH minus ion. So millimoles of OH minus will be 1 millimole. Now they will react H plus OH minus gives water. Now it has 2 millimole, it has 1 millimole. So OH minus ion is 1 millimole. It will react with 1 millimole of H plus and form water. So H plus will be left in excess. Now what is the concentration of H plus here? They will neutralize each other. So 1 millimole of H plus will neutralize 1 millimole of OH minus. So the number of millimoles of H plus left in the solution is 1 millimole. Divide by the total volume in ml. 10 plus 10, 20. So ये मिलीमोल है और ये मिलीलीटर है. They will cancel out. So it will become mole per liter. You will get 0.05 molar. Now we have got the concentration of H plus in the solution. Using that we will calculate the pH minus log H plus. It will be equal to minus log 0.05. Clear? So ये हो जाएगा minus log 5 into 10 power minus 2. It becomes 2 minus log 5. Log 5 is 0.7. So it becomes 1.3. So 1.3 is the pH of the mixture of this acid and base. Now let us solve the second question. Here again we will calculate millimoles. Millimoles of calcium hydroxide will be equal to 10 into 0.2. So it becomes 2 millimoles. Here the millimoles of HCl will be 25 into 0.1. So it will be 2.5 millimoles. Now OH ion, millimoles of OH ions will be double of this. So we will write 2 into 4, 4 millimoles. And here millimoles of H plus will be equal to 2.5. So H plus plus OH minus gives H2O. तो 2.5 कम है तो 2.5 millimoles H plus के react करेंगे 2.5 millimoles of OH minus. They will neutralize each other and they will form water. So what is left in excess in solution? 2.5 moles of H plus have been consumed. It was 4 millimoles. Out of 4 millimoles, 2.5 millimoles have been neutralized by HCl. So millimoles of OH minus left is 4 minus 2.5. That is means 1.5 millimole divided by total volume because we need concentration here. So 10 plus 25, 35. So it will be 3 upon 70. Clear? Now let us calculate POH from here. Minus log 3 by 70. It can be written as minus log 3 minus 70. So we can write here 3 minus 70. Take this inside. Log 3 log 3 minus log 70. So minus log 70 can be written as minus log 7 minus log 10. 70 can be written as 7 into 10. तो ये हो जाएगा log 7 minus log 10. टेक दिस नेगेटिव साइन इनसाइड. ये दोनों कैसे हो जाएंगे? पॉजिटिव. log 10 is 1. So it is 1. log 7 is 0.85. So it is 0.85 minus log 3. Minus log 3 is the value of log 3 is 0.47. I hope it is clear. तो 70 को हमने लिखा 7 into 10. 7 into 10 means log 7 plus log 10. Since we have there is a negative sign here, minus log 7 minus log 10. log 10 is 1. जब ये नेगेटिव साइन अंदर लेके जाएंगे पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा 1. दिस विल ऑल्सो बी पॉजिटिव. log 7 is 0.85. 1.85 हो गया और log 3 की वैल्यू हो गई minus log 3 minus 0.47. So we got the answer here 8, 3, 1.38. This is the POH. Now let us calculate POH is equal to pH is equal to 14 minus POH. 14 minus 1.38. So you will get 12.62. This is the pH of this solution. I hope it is clear. So what you have to do is you have to calculate the millimoles of each substance, then calculate the millimoles of OH and H plus. See how many are neutralized, what is left in excess. From the excess ion, you have to calculate pH or POH. Now let us check out this third part. Calculate the millimoles of, I am calculating the millimoles of H plus directly. The millimoles of H plus will be equal to 10 into 0.01 into each H2SO4 you will give 2 H plus ion multiplied by 2. So what you get 0.2. Clear? Calculate from here millimoles of OH minus. In the similar way we will calculate molarity into volume into number of OH minus ions 2. So again you are getting 0.2. That means H plus plus OH minus gives H2O. 0.2 will react with 0.2 moles of H2O. तो दोनों खत्म use up हो गए. दोनों use up हो गए. That means neither H plus excess H plus ions are present nor OH minus ions are present in the solution. That means what will be the pH of the solution? This solution will be neutral because both are equal and the pH will be equal to 7. So I have explained all the 3 types of examples here. One case when acid was in excess, second case when base was in excess, and third when both were equal, then the pH will be equal to 7. So I hope you have understood this question. That's all in this session. Thank you.